stop for a moment and allow everything else to fade into the background, because this is not an ordinary message meant to be skimmed or passed over. This is an invitation to pause, to become still, to listen deeply in a world that rarely allows silence. Right now, do not rush, do not respond, do not distract yourself. Simply be here. There is something that needs your attention, something that has been calling you quietly for a long time. In the stillness of your heart, beneath the noise of thoughts, fears, and expectations, that call has always been present. The world around you is loud and demanding, full of opinions that pull you in different directions, fears that whisper limitations, doubts that question your worth, and memories of failures that try to define you. Yet beyond all of this noise, there is a presence that has never stopped waiting for you, patiently, lovingly, without judgment. Close your eyes for a moment and breathe. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath and notice the space within you that feels calm, untouched, and alive. That inner space is where safety lives, where worry loosens its grip, where your true purpose waits quietly, unchanged by circumstances. No matter how much life has pushed you, no matter how often you have stumbled or fallen, the essence of who you are has never been harmed. Your soul remains pure, whole, and eternal, untouched by the chaos of the world. This is not a reminder you should forget, because remembering it changes everything. This message is not here to repeat advice you have heard countless times before. It is here to awaken you, to gently but firmly shake you into awareness, because your life is moving forward faster than you realize, and postponing your awakening is no longer an option. Not tomorrow, not after one more distraction, not when things feel more comfortable, but now. Breathe again and open your heart, because what you're about to hear is meant for you. You have been walking through life carrying heavy expectations, the pressure to succeed, to fit in, to prove yourself, to never fail. These expectations sit on your shoulders like an invisible weight, exhausting you even when you appear strong. But life was never meant to be a stage where you constantly perform for approval. It is a canvas where you are meant to create something authentic and meaningful. When you let go of judgment and choose honesty with yourself, you begin to breathe more freely. Every sleepless night, every anxious moment before an interview, every painful silence after rejection has been seen. The struggle in your eyes, the heaviness in your heart, the burden of careers, exams, responsibilities, heartbreak, and loneliness have never gone unnoticed. There are moments when you feel misunderstood, when your pain feels invisible to the world, but you have never been alone. Even in your darkest despair, presence has been beside you, holding you together when you felt like falling apart. Many people carry guilt and regret, replaying past decisions and wishing they could undo certain choices, but the past was never meant to become a punishment. It is a lesson, not a chain. Learn from it, but do not carry the weight of self-blame any longer. Feeling lost or empty is not a weakness. It is often the beginning of awakening, because only when something is emptied can it be filled with meaning. Even in chaos, even when life feels heavy and unfair, you are invited to act with dedication without becoming trapped by outcomes. That balance is freedom. That is where peace and purpose meet. Your fears are known, your doubts understood, and your tears counted. Yet in this very moment you are seen, chosen, and deeply loved. Do not measure your journey by temporary shadows, because every setback has been guidance and every delay has been preparation. Your struggles have never been meaningless. They have been shaping you into someone stronger and wiser. Long ago, a warrior once stood trembling on a battlefield, overwhelmed by fear and responsibility, doubting his strength and his path. Surrounded by uncertainty, he felt the weight of the world on his shoulders, just as you sometimes do. In that moment, he was reminded of his purpose, his eternal soul, and the courage that had always lived within him. That same reminder is being offered to you now. Another soul once walked with nothing but humility and sincerity, carrying need but never losing trust. Through simplicity and faith, his life was transformed in ways wealth never could. Sometimes the most profound changes come through small, sincere acts of love and truth. And there was once a woman who stood firm in the face of humiliation, betrayal, and injustice, refusing to surrender her dignity. Though everything seemed against her, her inner strength remained unbroken, and grace surrounded her when the world failed her. These stories are not distant history, they are reflections of your own life. Your battlefield may be your career, your education, or your fears. Your poverty may appear as financial struggle or uncertainty. Your helplessness may show up as heartbreak, loneliness, or betrayal. The forms change, but the challenges remain the same, and so does the promise of guidance and presence. Just as courage was whispered to those before you, it is whispered to you now. Stand up, because you are stronger than you believe. Your worth has never been measured by status, achievements, or the opinions of others. It has always been found in your heart, your intentions, and your devotion. Even in silence and struggle, guidance surrounds you, protecting your spirit and gently pushing you forward. There will be moments when doubt asks whether you are enough or whether you will ever rise. But know this deeply, you have always been enough. Your existence itself is a gift, and every tear, scar, and longing is proof that you are alive, learning, and capable of love. Life is like a river that meets rocks, twists, storms, and detours, yet it continues to flow forward, true to its nature. So do you. Obstacles may slow you, but they cannot stop your journey toward light, purpose, and love. Fear is not a weakness, it is a signal pointing toward growth. Responsibility is not a burden, it is freedom, because ownership gives you power. Comparison is poison, stealing joy and blinding you to your unique path. Surrender is not giving up, it is trusting wisdom while continuing to act. Service magnifies joy, healing loneliness, and strengthening purpose. As you breathe and feel your heart beating, remember that being here is already enough. You are loved, seen, and valued beyond measure. When you repeat words of strength and love within yourself, they settle like warmth in your soul. Visualize the highest version of yourself, free from fear and hesitation, aligned with truth and purpose, because that vision is not imagination but remembrance. Small daily choices, made with awareness and kindness, can guide you closer to clarity and courage. Write down your fears and dreams, because words are seeds and intention nurtures growth. Life speaks in metaphors and quiet signs, and even the smallest actions carry infinite potential. Like fire that refines gold, your struggles are shaping your brilliance. Like the sun that rises without asking for recognition, you are meant to shine naturally. Do not rush your journey, trust its rhythm. Walk with awareness, courage, and love, knowing you are never walking alone. Storms may still come, doubts may still appear, but your spirit remains eternal and unbreakable. You do not need permission to live fully or approval to be yourself. Forgive the past, release regret, and step forward with confidence. Every step is sacred, every lesson meaningful, and every moment an opportunity to grow closer to truth. Even when the world feels distant, presence remains with you, honoring your courage and celebrating your love. Carry this knowing with you, let it fill every part of your being, and remember that you are ready to rise, to shine, and to live as the light the world has been waiting for. The world around you is loud and relentless. It speaks in deadlines, comparisons, opinions, and judgments. It tells you who you should be, how fast you should move, and what success must look like. Fear disguises itself as caution, doubt pretends to be realism, and failure echoes longer than it should. Amid all this noise, it is easy to forget your inner voice, the one that speaks softly and patiently. That voice has been calling you even when you were too tired or distracted to listen. It has waited without frustration, knowing that one day you would pause long enough to hear it again. When you close your eyes and breathe deeply, you may notice a space inside you that feels calm and untouched. This space exists beyond your worries, beyond your past mistakes, beyond your future anxieties. It is the place where your true self resides, unshaken by success or failure. No matter how much life has challenged you, no matter how many times you have fallen or doubted yourself, this inner essence has remained whole. Life may have tested your strength, but it has never destroyed your core. Remembering this truth is powerful because it shifts how you see yourself and your struggles. This message is not here to repeat advice you have already heard or to offer easy solutions. It is here to awaken something deeper within you. Time is moving forward, whether you are ready or not, and your life is unfolding moment by moment. Waiting for the perfect time, the perfect conditions, or the perfect version of yourself only delays your growth. Awareness cannot be postponed. It begins now, in this very moment, as you choose to open your heart and listen honestly. You have been carrying expectations for a long time. Some were placed on you by family, some by society, and some by yourself. The pressure to succeed, to never fail, to appear strong and confident can feel overwhelming. These expectations sit quietly on your shoulders, slowly draining your energy. But life was never meant to be a performance where you constantly prove your worth. It is meant to be a creative journey, a process of becoming, where authenticity matters more than approval. When you let go of constant judgment, you allow yourself to breathe and exist more freely. There have been nights when sleep did not come easily, when your thoughts circled endlessly around fears and uncertainties. There have been moments before important events when anxiety tightened your chest, and moments after rejection when silence felt heavier than words. These experiences have shaped you, but they do not define you. Even when others could not see your struggle, it was real and it mattered. Feeling unseen can be painful, yet you have never been alone in those moments. Presence has always been there, steady and compassionate, holding space for you when you felt lost. Many people carry guilt and regret as if they are permanent companions. Past decisions replay in the mind, creating stories of what if and if only. But the past was never meant to imprison you. It exists to teach, not to punish. Every mistake has carried a lesson, and every misstep has contributed to your growth. When you continue to blame yourself for what has already happened, you deny yourself the chance to move forward with wisdom. Forgiveness, especially toward yourself, is an act of courage and freedom. Feeling lost or empty does not mean something is wrong with you. Often it means you are standing at the edge of transformation. Emptiness creates space, and space allows new meaning to enter. When life strips away old identities and illusions, it can feel unsettling, but it is also an opportunity to reconnect with purpose. Even in chaos, you can act with sincerity and effort without becoming trapped by outcomes. Doing your best while releasing control over results brings a sense of peace that no external success can offer. Your fears are not hidden, and your doubts are not misunderstood. Every tear you have shed has had meaning. Even when you feel small or uncertain, you are seen and valued. Judging your journey based on temporary setbacks only narrows your perspective. Delays often serve a purpose, and struggles prepare you for responsibilities you cannot yet see. Nothing you have endured has been wasted. Each experience has shaped your resilience and deepened your understanding of yourself and others. Stories from the past continue to reflect timeless truths. A warrior once stood on a battlefield, overwhelmed by fear and responsibility, unsure of his path. He doubted his strength, much like you may doubt yours. Yet in that moment of hesitation, he was reminded of his deeper purpose and inner courage. That reminder is not limited to ancient times. It is relevant now in your life, in your challenges. Another soul walked forward with humility and trust, carrying little but faith, and discovered that sincerity holds more power than wealth. Small, genuine acts of kindness and truth can quietly transform a life. There was also a figure who faced humiliation and injustice with dignity, refusing to surrender inner strength despite external cruelty. Her story reminds us that even when circumstances feel unfair, our response defines us. Modern life may look different, but the emotional battles remain the same. Your struggles with career, finances, relationships, and identity mirror these ancient stories. What remains unchanged is the presence of guidance and the potential for growth within you. Do not measure your worth by what others see or by what you have achieved so far. True value lies in your intentions, your compassion, and your willingness to keep going despite uncertainty. Even in silence, support surrounds you, guiding your steps and strengthening your spirit. Doubt may still arise, questioning whether you are capable or deserving, but your existence itself is proof of worth. Every scar tells a story of survival, and every longing reveals your capacity to care deeply. Life moves like a river, encountering obstacles and changing direction when needed, yet always flowing forward. You may face resistance and unexpected turns, but your journey continues toward understanding and purpose. Fear often appears when growth is near. Responsibility, when embraced, becomes a source of freedom. Comparison only distracts you from your unique path. Surrender teaches trust, and service connects you to joy beyond yourself. These principles are not rules but reminders, guiding you gently toward balance.